Imagine a trading bot that trades blindly. Sometimes it sells, sometimes it buys, without any logic or any real strategy. And yet, this robot does better than 85% of retail traders. Yeah, I'm clearly saying that a robot that does more or less total random stuff performs better than a majority of people who spend their evening analyzing the markets, watching tutorials, or buying online courses. And that's precisely what a trader posted on Reddit who used Upside to demonstrate this. His post clearly inspired me for today's video. And his findings are real because they are based on concrete data. Actually, understanding this dumb bot may be the best thing that we can do to improve at trading. Here is how this bot works. Every 4 hours on the Euro-USD pair, it has a 20% chance of opening a trade, and therefore 80% chance of doing absolutely nothing. If it decides to trade, then it flips a coin. Heads will lead to buy, and tails will lead to sell. So once the direction is randomly chosen, it will place a stop loss at 3 times the ATR from its entry price. And for the take profit, it will just aim for a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. And remember this detail well, because it will be important in the explanations that will follow. So here, as you understood, there is absolutely no logic, no rationality in the decision making. It's purely random, since at every 4-hour candle, we have a 20% chance of opening a trade, and the direction of that trade is based on a coin flip. And then the TP and stop loss are based at an equivalent distance from the entry price. So in other words, this bot analyzes absolutely nothing when it decides to trade. So already here we have a very big differentiating point with the majority of retail traders, who will often spend hours trying to understand charts, interpret price movements, and try to find the best timings to enter a trade. So what happens now if we backtest that random logic over several years? That's exactly what the trader on Reddit did and what I replicated myself for today's video. So here is what I got. When backtested over 5 years, with 1,600 trades, the bot actually made a 13% total return. That's an annualized return of 2.44%. with a max drawdown of only 16%. Is it an amazing performance? No, not at all. 13% over 5 years is absolutely nothing crazy. But here is the key. As you can see, after 1,600 trades and 5 years of trading, it never blew up the account. And also, it never entered a long-term death spiral. And as we can see on the equity curve, unlike most retail traders who would trade over 5 years or over 1,600 trades, the equity curve is not in a constant decline. And these achievements only put this bot ahead of most retail traders, because according to verified broker statistics, 3 out of 4 retail traders lose money. And according to CFTC reports, over half of retail traders quit after only a few weeks or a few months of trading. When I rerun this bot, I get different results every time, because, well, it's random. Here, over the 5-year period, it actually made money consistently, though not much money. At other times, the equity curve overall is rather flat, like here, or again here. And in almost all of these cases, we get roughly 1,600 trades. But across all these tests, and yes, they do take into account spreads and slippage, one thing remains consistent. The trading bot never completely destroys the account. I even cranked things up and switched to a 1-hour time frame to make this strategy and this bot take 6,200 trades. And here, the result was quite similar. We had a big swing early on with good profits, but then these gains were erased later and we ended up with a sideways movement. But again, no account blow up. So why does this strategy beat most human traders? This is the million-dollar question. How can a bot acting at random outperform real traders who study, analyze, and constantly try to improve? To answer that, we must think about what this bot does that most human traders do not. Here is the uncomfortable answer. This bot doesn't commit human mistakes. In other words, it doesn't doubt, it doesn't panic, it doesn't feel fear, greed, stress, or FOMO. It never changes strategy, it never moves its stop loss against its trade. It never tries to be right. It just follows its rule. every single time. When you look at its equity curve, it's not spectacular at all, but it's stable. No massive crashes, no emotional spirals, because unlike humans, this bot has no ego, no impulsivity, no desire to revenge trade, no overconfidence, no fear of missing out, and no need to win their next trade. I mean, no obsession to absolutely want to make profit on their next trade. And that's where we start to see the differences that this dumb bot reveals. It's not the strategy or the system that makes the difference, but rather the flawless execution, even of a somewhat stupid method like here. Because while a human doubts, panics, and cuts his profits quickly out of fear of seeing them disappear, this bot continues to always do the same thing. And that's why it manages not to lose over the long run. But let's be careful here. I'm not advocating that you should start trading blindly. And this video is not a praise of random trading systems. But what I mean is, if a totally random strategy manages to perform better than the majority of retail traders, then we can ask ourselves, isn't it our human behavior that sabotages everything? Let's start with one of the biggest traps of human behavior: the illusion of control. Humans tend to believe that more analysis leads to more control, but this bot analyzes nothing and still survives across thousands of trades, simply because it doesn't try to prove it's right. The second pitfall of humans is emotional decisions. When you win, you want another win right away. When you lose, you rush into a new trade to try and recover. And this leads to changing position size, entering too early, or widening your stop loss, or even cutting profits too soon. It's basically like trying to avoid pain and protect your brain rather than protecting your account. But the bot, it feels nothing. It just executes every time. The third pitfall is human variability. We, as humans, change from day to day. It can be because of fatigue, because of stress, of overconfidence, or a somehow new shiny trading method that we saw on YouTube. And all these factors, they create inconsistency. The bot, on the other hand, is 100% constant from trade number 1 to trade number 6,000. And over the long run, consistency beats brilliance every single time. Our fourth pitfall is the search for the perfect strategy. Many traders are researchers, not executors. They test a setup, it stops working for 5, 6, or 7 trades in a row, and then they scrap everything and start chasing a new method or a new setup. The bot never does this. It just repeats the same rules endlessly, and that's precisely why it survives. Now, I told you earlier that there was a very important detail. It's the fact that the bot always targets a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. With that setup, the bot's win rate stays close to around 50%. And that's the real insight. Even with total randomness, you can win about 1 trade out of 2 with a 1-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Which means that if a human trader improves just slightly, either the timing or the entry or the context, they can push their win rate from 50% to even 53 or 55%. And then you immediately become profitable without needing crazy reward to risk ratios like 5-to-1 or 6-to-1. Yet many beginners obsess with huge RR ratios when they can't even maintain consistency with a simple 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. Whereas if you focused on 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but slightly improved entries and removing emotional errors, you'd already be far better off. So, do you agree with the findings of this experiment and of the random dumb bot? Did you see anything else that we might have missed here? If so, please let me know down in the comments section. I'll read and answer every single one of your comments. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. It will truly help the channel. As for me, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.